So I've bought this very cute, tiny, miniature little journal. It is from Pigments Art. I think it will be perfect for little tiny beaches. A few projects that I can have fun with. The paper is, I think it's 320 GSM, so it's nice and thick. Nicely bound in this leather outer cover. So I'm going to paint something on it. I'm going to paint a little beach.
It's a beautiful It's a beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. It's a beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. a beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful. 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 It's a beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful.
So we're all done, and I'm really pleased with my first little painting. It came out really nicely, and this little journal is very cute. Can't wait to start filling it up with some more little beaches and some waves. But for now, this is it. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year's, and I will see you in 2021. Bye.